Hello guys, in this video we're going to be looking at input and output in C. So how to print on screen and how to collect users information. So we've seen that before. We can use the printf, right, to print on screen, right. So whatever I want to print on screen, we can use the printf to print on screen. Now, but the correct syntax is, I'm just going to write this. So whenever we want to print, we use a printf. So we can have some formatted text here, like formatted text, and then we have comma, and then we have some values here, for example. All right, so for example, I can do integer a to be 10, then I do printf value of a, and I put there comma a, right, and I put there %d backslash n, right. So if I print this, so I have not put return 0, right. So if I run this, right, so it print on screen the value of a is 10. Now the words are joined because I don't have any backslash n here. So if I redo that, then I have this. Now if I was dealing with a character, for example, I can do char c is equals to let's say a grade, right. Then I can do printf %c comma then c, right. So I can do the backslash n, or I put grade is, right, and it's going to display me that the grade there is a, right. So basically these are the things that we can do with the printf statement. So definitely if it was a floating point number, so it's going to be also be float. Now we're going to use %s. Now we can use the scanf. So we can use the scanf function to get user input, right. So for example, I can say printf enter your age backslash n, then integer age, then I can do scanf %d. Then now look, we're going to use a %age, right, to store the age. So this is actually the address location in memory, right. So the @ sign they act as the address location is, so the address operator is necessary because we want to pass the variable to where actually it is stored in memory. And then now I can do a printf statement to say that you are %d years old today backslash n, then I have age, right. So you see I ask the person to enter the age, so I'm going to enter 35. Tell me you're 35 years old today without an S. Okay. Right. So basically this is how we use the input and output functions in C. So I'm going to leave you with a simple exercise that you should write a program that takes in the age, height, and salary of employees and display on screen. So that is the assignment that you're going to do. So you can write this and then you drop it in the comment section. So if you found this video interesting, you like, you share, you subscribe, and also click on the bell icon so that you receive notification each time that I drop a new post. So in our next video, we're going to be looking at operators in C. Hello guys, welcome to yet another tutorial. So in this tutorial, we're actually going to be solving the assignment that I gave, that we should ask a user for the height, the the age and the salary, and then display on screen. So I'm just going to put all of this in a comment section. Then now I am going to, we're just going to write the program. So I'll start integer, I'll declare age, I'll do float salary, and then height also is going to be in decimal, so I'm going to put height also, right? Then I'll ask the user to printf, enter your age, right? \n, and I'm going to use scanf to do %d % age. So now I've collected the person's age. So now I'm going to collect the person's salary. So I can do printf. Now since they're all floating number, I can put enter your salary and height, but I don't want to do that, so I'll just put enter your salary %n, and I do scanf %f % salary. So yep, good. Then I'm also going to do printf, enter your height. Then I'm going to do scanf %f, and then I'm going to do a % height. So now I can do printf. I can do a general printf statement that prints everything in one line, or I can decide to print this. Hello. Okay, we didn't ask the person the name, so I'm just going to add name also. Okay, no, let's just go. So I want to say something like hello that and that. So we're going to get to handling names. Okay, so I can do you are %d years old today, comma, your height is %f, and your salary is %f. You see how we are formatting the text. So now I'll just put the age, comma, height, comma, and then I just put the salary, right? And good. Or if I didn't want to do that, I would have printed one at a time. So I would have done print one at a time, right? So but like that is cool. So I can just run. So he asked me to enter the age. I put 35. Enter the salary 500k. Enter your height 1.75, and it prints that you are 35 years older today. Your height is 1.75000, and this. Okay, now this is double precision, right? So what we can do is, if you want to reduce that, we can do something like this: %0.1 f and 0.1 f, or when we are displaying, so I can display 0.2 f and also here 0.2 f, right? So if I do that again, 35 600 or 1.56, right? So I've to put it to 2 decimal places, and this one is also 2 decimal places, right? So, and that is how we do. So remember, just look at, I put %2f here, %2f here. So if I want 3 decimal places, then I will put %3f, right? So I just run it again, and I put the 35 250.0 and here 1.75. all right, so this is 3 decimal place and this one maintains at 2 decimal places. All right, so this is where we're going to end the video, and in the next video we're going to look at operators. So if you have any question or any clarification, or you have done something extra and you want to share, just drop it in the comment section and we're going to pick up from there. Thank you.